Hello, you're welcome. Today I would like to show you this bag. It's very fluffy. I used leather base 20 centimeters and then I made a cord and I put it in the 4th row. This is our insides. It doesn't need, we don't need to make a linen inside. If you like, you can also. Here, how it seems from inside. It's big enough. And we used a handle. I had the handle from the 4th row here. This is our bag. I hope you like it. Let's see how to make it. For this bag, I'll use this yarn, one leather base which is 20 centimeters, and for the first row my hook is 250, and then I'll use 6.5. Let's begin. Take our yarn and pull through our yarn from the hole and then to the next hole, yarn over, pull through and pull through from the chain. Insert your hook to the hole, yarn over, pull through and pull through from the chain. We will continue doing this all around and then we will join our row. Don't crochet tight. We'll do this all around. Now we are at the end of the row. We are taking our last stitch, make the chain, then pull through the tail that we have cut, and then we'll take it to the back side, getting our tail from here, and we are taking it to the back. And we will make a knot here. I'm taking my yarn and I'll get it to the back, the tail. So I'm doing this. And now our tail is at the back side. And I begin to crochet. We'll make one chain and then single crochet here at the corners. At the 3 chains here, I'll make 2 single crochet in each stitch, 1 and 2. Next, 1 and 2, to the next, 2 again, and then 1 single crochet in each stitch. Insert your hook under the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2 together. This is our single crochet. If you like bigger your bag, you can make 2 single crochets in each stitch, not only at the corners but in each stitch. So we'll make 2 double crochets here, here and here. These 3 stitches will be with 3 single crochets. Sorry, 2 single crochet in each chain here. The same in this 3 and this 3. We are at the end of the row. We will make slip stitch here, 1 chain and single crochet at the back loop here. We have here our loop. We usually insert our hook from here, but when we said at the back loop, we mean this. So here at the back loop, yarn over, pull through and pull through 2 together. Here you see at the back loop and then single crochet. At the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 together. And we have a line here. We'll continue all the row around and we'll go to the next stitch. Now we will join our row with slip stitch, 1 chain, and then we will insert our hook at the same stitch and we'll come to the front with our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 together. We will insert our hook at the last stitch we crocheted here, and then we'll come in front with our hook, yarn over, pull through. We have these 2 loops at the same long and pull through 2 together. Now we will insert our hook here and then in the front, pull through together here, in the same stitch we crocheted. From the next we will bring our hook to front, yarn over, pull through together. We have crocheted this stitch, so insert your hook there to the front from the next stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through together. Here, front our hook, yarn over, pull through. Here, insert your hook from here and front to the front, and then this is gonna be our texture. Now we are at the end of the row. We'll continue crocheting as we did here. We won't join our row. Here we are, here. Crochet at the same stitch. Yeah. We will do the same until we finished our bag. Our bag has finished. We'll hide the tail here, and then I made a cord here with different color, with black, and I'll pull through from the 3rd or 4th row, and it will look like this. And then I'll add handles at the 2 sides here with this, and our bag is ready. Thank you for watching. Good luck to anyone who will try. See you at the next video. Bye.